Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you can probably see there's someone here, someone new. This person here is my sister. Her name is Rudo or Rudo, however you want to say it. And yeah, I'm going to be doing her hair. She's just taking out her braids, so I'm gonna just pamper her a little bit, show her some rudo, show her some love, and just do her hair for her. So my sister's hair texture is a type 4C. It is genuine type 4C. Her curl pattern is a lot tighter than my curl pattern. And yeah, I'm gonna start off by wetting her hair with our type of hair texture, type 4B and type 4C. You really need to work with wet hair, otherwise you'll do so much damage. And her hair was already quite dry because she had just taken out her braids. So I'm going to go in using my Sheer Moisture Manuka Honey shampoo. And I'm just going to make sure that I lather this onto her hair. And I have sectioned out her hair to work in sections. Always work in sections so you don't cause too much damage. As you can see here, I'm really making sure that I lather each portion of her hair because her hair hasn't been washed in a while because it's coming out of braids. So I'm trying to make sure that I really cleanse the hair. So after I've made sure that all the hair is covered, I'm going to go in and massage her scalp with my fingertips and just to make sure that her scalp is also cleansed and it's not just her hair, and that the product also penetrates her scalp. After that, we wash that out, and I'm going to go in with some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to give her a quick little apple cider vinegar rinse because her hair was in braids for a while, so she does have a little bit of dandruff and stuff. I just want to really strip and cleanse her scalp for her. If you guys haven't seen my apple cider vinegar video, I'm going to link that here so you guys can go watch that. So after I've diluted the apple cider vinegar, I'm going to go in and just spritz it all over her hair and leave it in her hair for a little bit while it just sits and penetrates her scalp and all. After that, about 5 minutes of letting it sit in, I'm going to again massage her scalp just to make sure that the product has reached her scalp. After that, I'm going to add some conditioner to her hair, the same one, the Manuka Honey Sheer Moisture. And I'm just going to section her hair out to make sure that all of her hair gets the conditioner. I'm being really thorough with my sectioning and being really thorough with applying the conditioner because her hair was in braids for a while. It needs a lot of moisture to be replenished back to it, and because I have just stripped the hair with the apple cider vinegar, I'm really trying to make sure that the hair is well moisturized again. While you're working with the conditioner, you want to make sure that you spritz the hair to make sure that it's damp, because I'm actually detangling the hair as I apply the conditioner. As you can see here, the detangling process was some work. I don't know what sis been doing with her hair or what type of detangling she's been doing, but damn. So I detangled her hair very thoroughly to make sure that there is no tangles and that I can glide my fingers through her hair like a comb with no hesitation. So on top of that conditioner, I'm not going to wash it out. I'm going to add the Manuka Honey Hydration Hair Mask onto her hair. And since the hair already has conditioner, I'm not being as thorough. I'm just trying to make sure that the hair gets coated. And then I'm going to go through. I'm going to detangle with my Tangle Teaser. Now this is one. I'm doing this after I've already finger detangled And I know the hair is already detangled, but I'm just doing one last sweep to make sure that there is no tangles. And then I'm going to put the hair into 2-strand twists. I'm going to cover the hair with a plastic bag for a deeper conditioning, and we left that in for a good 15 to 20 minutes before we took that out. So after deep conditioning, I took out the 2-strand twists that I had put in the hair. I took out the 2-strand twist that I had put in the hair, and we got ready to wash the hair. So this is what her hair looks like after a wash and deep condition. I'm going to go in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner onto her hair. I'm going to make sure that I thoroughly coat that hair as well, adding more moisture back into her hair. Then I'm also gonna add my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So after I've added that and made sure that all the hair is thoroughly coated, I'm gonna section the hair out to do some cornrows for her. We are currently in quarantine, so there is no use to having your hair out at the moment. While I cornrow her hair, I'm just going to answer a few questions that I know you guys are probably burning to ask. She is my older sister. We were both born in Zimbabwe. And yeah. So after I finish cornrowing her hair, I'm going to go in with some jojoba oil in her partings just to make sure that her scalp is well moisturized. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to comment down below if you have a comment and like the video. If you like the video, I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.